Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool single slot payphone, and this is Barry's equipment from New Hampshire. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. We're going to run through a little bit about what needs to be done to this unit. We're going to go ahead and repair any issues that we find, and we will be doing a conversion for this unit. We want to troubleshoot the handset cord. We also want to troubleshoot the transmit and the receive. We also want to try to utilize the amplification button in the top left-hand corner of the payphone. We also want to make sure that all the coins fall through the coin validator into the cash box area. Barry thought it would be a cool idea to kind of have a little bit of a sound effect with this payphone, since all you really hear with a single slot is the coins falling through the coin validator and hitting the cash box. So we want to go ahead and install a couple of bells in this unit for the sound effect. We'll install a bell in the coin hopper and then a bell in the cash box area. And that'll give the unit a little bit of an extra added sound effect to when you put coins in the unit. We also want to install a modular line port so that you can simply bring in any length, any color line cord that you choose, plug right into the modular line port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. We will be making any circuit design changes that we need to be able to use this payphone on a regular telephone line. We'll be going through the hook switch. We want to make sure that the hook switch is working properly, and we want to make sure that this unit will dial out so that you can make phone calls. We also want to troubleshoot the bell and bell circuit. We will be going through the entire payphone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool single slot payphone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repairing and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. We have repaired the cash box. The linkage for the cash box was broken off, and we see that a lot because people do not understand that when they take the cash box and remove it from the payphone, a lot of times they do not know that you have to reset the latch. If you do not reset the latch, then what happens is you will try to put the coin box back into the payphone, and that latch that opens the trap door will get jammed into the payphone because it will not move. And when you set the latch, it's about a quarter of a turn on the inside lid, and it's clockwise. So you turn it about a quarter of a turn, and it will click. And that's the indication that that latch is reset and that you can put the cash box back into the payphone. So we see that a lot, and we have to repair them a lot. And this one was broken off, and that was taken care of. Now we went through the coin hopper, and we also found the tag that we showed in some pictures, and we mounted it to the coin hopper, and that was a great find. You very rarely ever see the key code for the lock cylinder, and they also used it to keep track of the payphone, so that was a very nice find. We also went through the coin validator and made sure all the coins were falling through. Now you're going to get a coin stuck every once in a while. That's why they have a coin return, and that just happens. Now what we want to do is go ahead and take our coins and run them through the coin validator. That was the quarters. Now we'll do the dimes. We can do the nickels. Now what we want to do is go ahead and remove the coin box, and we'll open the door. You can go ahead and remove the door. You can see the bell that was installed in the coin box for the sound effect. We'll go ahead and grab our coins out of the cash box, and then we want to show you the latch that we're talking about. The latch has to be reset before the linkage can move. So right now it will not move. If you try to put that back into the payphone, you're going to jam the cash box into the payphone, and while you're trying to work the box out of the payphone, depending on how jammed it is, a lot of times this will get severely bent or it'll get broken off. So now we want to reset the latch about a quarter of a turn clockwise, and now when you go to put the cash box back into the payphone, your linkage moves the trap door, and it just clicked. So when you pull the coin box out, the trap door shuts so that you can't get any of the coins back out, and there's usually a seal they would put to lock the coin box, and they knew if anybody was messing around with the coin box. So now our latch is set, and the trap door will not open, and you won't be able to get this cash box back into the payphone until you reset the latch. So it's always a good idea to keep in mind that you have to set that latch every time you take the cash box out of the payphone. And if you do not, you will not get that cash box to go back into the payphone freely. And we can put the lid back on the cash box, and we can go ahead and put the cash box back into the payphone. We have a lot of other work that needs to be done, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool single slot payphone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs and conversion, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use that pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from the receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. We also want to mention that we were able to get the amplification to work with this payphone. So we have 3 levels of amplification on our handset. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use our analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to check our amplification. And we'll go back to normal. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our receiver up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and move the line cord over to a line out, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, August 4th. The current time, 9 p.m. and the temperature, 82 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool single slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Barry and they can enjoy this payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-4639. 6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.